In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks Online paid subscription. If you're looking to simplify your expenses or perhaps explore other financial management options, canceling your QuickBooks subscription is a straightforward process. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Firstly, let's begin by accessing your QuickBooks account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you haven't already, enter your login credentials to access your account. Remember, it's important to use the correct details linked to your subscription to ensure you're editing the right account settings. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings gear icon. This is your gateway to several account management options. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's a crucial step because it'll guide you to all the configuration options you need. Now that you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a submenu appear. Among these options, you'll want to direct your attention to the Subscription and Billing option. This section is designated for managing your billing information and subscription status, which is exactly what we're focusing on today. Click on Subscription and Billing to enter this section. Here, you'll encounter a clear view of your current subscription details. This page contains everything you need to know about your account's billing status, including any upcoming payment dates and subscription plans. Now, look carefully, and you should see an option to cancel your subscription. This is usually prominently displayed as providers aim for transparency in subscription management. Click on the option that says Cancel Subscription. This action will kickstart the cancellation process. The system will guide you through a few prompts. Make sure to follow these prompts carefully. You might be asked to provide a reason for cancelling or receive offers to adjust your plan. It's entirely up to you how you respond and whether you proceed with the cancellation or consider any new offers. As you follow the cancellation prompts, you may also be informed about any remaining access or any final billing details. This ensures you understand the implications of cancellation, such as the end date of your service or any pro rata charges that might apply. When you reach the end of the process, confirm your cancellation. You should see a final confirmation message indicating that your subscription is set to be cancelled. Make sure to review this message to ensure all details are correct. And there you have it. That's how to cancel your QuickBooks Online paid subscription. It's a handy piece of knowledge, especially when managing multiple subscriptions, allowing you to streamline your resources and focus on what's best for your financial strategy. Thanks for choosing to follow along today, and if you have any other questions about QuickBooks or financial management, feel free to reach out.